Hello language learners and welcome to the English Grammar Mastery course. My name is Sai Sarath and I will be your guide on this exciting journey of learning and mastering English grammar. Whether you are a beginner, an enthusiast or a non-native English speaker, this video series is tailor-made for you to take your grammar skills to the next level and perfect them like a pro. English is a universal language used in various aspects of life such as communication, work, education, and social interactions. Good grammar helps us express ourselves clearly and precisely, making it a vital skill for effective communication in both spoken as well as written English. By mastering English grammar, you will boost your chances of success in professional, academic, and social settings. So let us dive into the world of grammar and discover the tools you need to excel in our global community. We will start our journey by exploring the parts of speech and how to recognize them. Then we will delve deeper into each part of speech, parts of sentence, types of sentences, sentence structure, and subject-verb agreement. We will also learn about the verb forms, tenses, active and passive voices, direct and indirect speech, conditionals, and punctuation. Finally, we will wrap up with a lesson on common grammar mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. To truly master English grammar, practice is the key. Each video in this series will include examples and exercises for you to practice your newfound skills. Do not hesitate to pause the video and give the exercises a try before checking the answers and explanations provided. I will also share additional practice exercises and materials after each topic. After watching the video lessons, please review these materials and ask any question in the Q&A or comment section. This way, we can create an interactive learning environment together. For the best learning experience, I suggest watching the videos in the recommended order. Take notes and come up with your own examples to solidify your understanding. Make an effort to use these grammar concepts in your daily conversations and writing. Thank you for joining this video series. I am thrilled to be a part of your journey to improve your English grammar skills. So without any delay, let us begin our learning journey.